So today we have a scenario here. You are the IT administrator for a small corporate network. Your supervisor has asked you to gather some networking information for the CompTIA DHCP server. In this lab, your task is to use Microsoft Windows PowerShell to find answers to the following question: what is the IP address of the server and the rest. So let's check out the questions so that we know what tools to use to get our answers. Alright, IP address of the MACs, that is definitely PowerShell. So we go to the start menu, right click and go to Windows PowerShell. Alright, so as usual, IP config space / all, enter. Alright, so we have, I think we have the informations we need. So let's start up with the IP address. IP4 address here is 192.168.0.14. So we have 192.168.0.14. Subnet mask, we have 255.255.255.255.0. 255.255.255.0. This is subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Alright, so that is good. So question number 3, how did the computer get its IP configuration information? Of course, this is static manual configuration. What tells you how the computer is getting its IP address? So this is definitely DHCP enabled is set to no. DHCP, you can hear DHCP enabled set to no. What tells you how the computer is getting its IP address? We've done that. Last question is, assuming the default gateway computer is connected to the internet, which type of internet access will this computer have? This we definitely have full access. Let's check our answers. So everything seems correct here. Remember, if this video was helpful to you, consider sharing so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.